Hello everyone, this is me, Alquan. I just want to talk to you about hydraulic press. Now you may have seen this before, but some of you might haven't. Some of you might say, what is hydraulic press? What is that? I never heard of it before. You might know it until you see it, if you see it, okay? Because there's some YouTube videos that have them. I'm not going to tell you what these hydraulic presses do, but I'm going to tell you what it is. A hydraulic press is a machine press using a hydraulic cylinder to generate a compressive force. It uses the hydraulic equivalent of a mechanical lever and was also known as a Brahma press after the inventor. Joseph Brahma of England was the man that created hydraulic press. He invented and was issued a patent on this press in 1795. As Brahma, who is also known for his development of the flush toilet, installed toilets, he studied the existing literature on the motion of fluids and put this knowledge into the development of the press. Hydraulic presses are used for assembly and disassembly of tightly fitting components. In manufacturing, they are used for forging, clinching, molding, blanking, punching, deep drawing, and metal forming operations. Hydraulic presses are also used for stretch forming, rubber pad forming, and powder compacting. The hydraulic press is advantageous in manufacturing. It gives the ability to create more intricate shapes and can be economical with materials. A hydraulic press will take up less space compared to a mechanical press of the same capability. In 2015, the Hydraulic Press Channel, a YouTube channel dedicated to crushing objects with a hydraulic press, was created by Lauri Vuohensilta, a factory owner from Tampere, Finland. The Hydraulic Press channel has since grown to over 9 million subscribers on YouTube. There are numerous other YouTube channels that publish videos involving hydraulic presses that are tasked with crushing many different items, such as bowling balls, soda cans, plastic toys, and metal tools. I know you have watched this before. You know what that is? A hydraulic press crushing balls and all that stuff. I know you have heard of that before. Some of you might haven't, so I'm encouraging you to watch it. A hydraulic press features in the Sherlock Holmes story, The Adventure of the Engineer's Thumb. This is me, Alquan, and I hope you all became interested in this, and I hope you all know what an hydraulic press is. And I will see you next time, and don't forget to watch videos of these hydraulic presses. I've watched them before. I watched these videos before, and they were cool. And I've watched the hydraulic presses when they was using the hydraulic press. I watched them trying to crush a bowling ball. They tried the best they can, and I think it worked. So I want you to watch it. It's very great. Hello everyone, this is me, Alquan, and if you like this video, I want you to like and subscribe.